This week, DJI's woes in the US got a lot worse, and they are looking more and more likely to be banned at the end of this year. However, DJI, if you're listening, I have a solution for you. I have the answer. You've been going about this all wrong. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to solve all of your US problems. Before that, though, we need to talk about exactly what is going on. Over the last few months, you've probably found it quite hard to buy DJI products in the US. This hasn't just been new released ones, it's older products, including things like the Goggles 3, DJI O4, DJI O3, and pretty much any DJI product. It even has affected new releases. So for instance, DJI haven't officially sold things such as the new Osmo Nano, the new Mini 5 Porky Edition, the Osmo 360 and the Mavic 4 in the US market at all. Now, officially, there is no ban on DJI in the USA today. However, they are facing restrictions on importing their products as a result of alleged links with the Chinese government over the mistreatment and human rights violations against Uyghurs. To be clear, there is no official evidence that I'm aware of that DJI have had any involvement in any of that, but DJI products have allegedly been used with regards to surveillance, and as a result of that, DJI have been linked to it. And whilst this is affecting the distribution of DJI products in the US today, believe it or not, this isn't their biggest problem. That is the NDAA deadline. This deadline is the 23rd of December 2025, and the basics are DJI must have been audited by an authorised government agency. Otherwise, if they have not been audited by the 23rd of December, they will be banned automatically. This ban is an FCC ban and will mean no new products will be able to be FCC certified moving forwards. This ban would not affect the distribution of existing products that have already been FCC certified, but what it would mean is no new product would be able to get FCC certification in the future. There are also rumblings around a potential general ban on all DJI products, but there is nothing official around this, and the basics are, as I've said already, you have the current import restrictions and then the NDAA ban based on new products in the future. But the reality is anything right now could happen. Unfortunately for DJI, this week they lost their legal challenge against the DoD and this NDAA ban, where they were questioning the evidence used to justify it. There is a great write-up on this on SUAS News, and what's interesting about this is whilst DJI did lose the legal challenge, most of the evidence given was not actually upheld, and pretty much everything was struck down in the legal challenge as not being justified. However, one thing remained, and that is the fact that DJI has basically received state sponsorship, and as a result of that, the DoD's claim was upheld. Now, what's interesting when you go through this is all but one point was upheld. Everything else was thrown out. Things like DJI being under the full control or ownership of the CCP was thrown out. DJI being part of China's military, DJI supporting the military, things such as military civil fusion contributor, all of this stuff was thrown out, including an affiliation with China's tech ministry. None of this was upheld due to there being no evidence, but there was one thing that was upheld, and this is what has allowed this to continue, and this is the receiving of state assistance. The winning argument in this was that the court agreed with the DoD's argument that DJI qualifies as a military civil fusion contributor because it was knowingly receiving assistance from the government of China. Now, this basically is, if DJI have accepted money from the government in form of any investment, in form of any grants, this is what has been used to uphold the argument, and as a result of that, the NDAA ban will continue unless DJI gets itself audited by an authorised government agency by the end of December 2025. Unfortunately for DJI, this is now coming towards the end of the line. They have failed in their legal attempt to get this overturned, and the end date is coming quick. And this bear trap that was laid a little while ago in this has been very cleverly done. It's not even as simple as DJI getting an audit. Remember, they have to be audited by an authorized agency. No one even knows who is an authorized agency to do this, and all of the doors that DJI have been knocking on to get this audit done are being ignored. DJI are basically being completely shut out from a government perspective. No one's willing to talk to them. No one's willing to even discuss an audit, and as a result of that, they will automatically be banned at the end of the year, and that means no more certification of any new products. More than that, and please take what I'm about to say as hearsay only, I am also hearing whispers that there are moves to try and quench the use of existing DJI products in the US market as well. There is no official law in place, there is no official sanctions, but I am hearing that there are moves after this has happened to then restrict the use of DJI drones in the US due to the potential security risks the US government believe they are. However, we have no idea what this is going to look like, and the reality is right now the only legal side of this that we know about is future products. But watch this space, it feels like things are going to get a lot more difficult moving forward. However, DJI, if you are watching, I have the answer to your problems, the solution on how you can make all of this go away. Turning up to Washington with lawyers and paperwork and evidence isn't going to work. Instead, you should be showing the same levels of integrity the US's top business leaders have by showing the president just how much he means to you. A small gift from you to the president is sure to make him see just how much he means to you. And any questions around security, data harvesting, or privacy are sure to fall away. So, if you want to solve this problem, you know what you need to do, you know where he lives. A simple package should get the problem solved in short order. So, DJI, you know what you got to do, you know where you need to send it. As for everything else, it ain't looking good, guys. Unless that package is delivered, it's going to be a rough time. I wish I had better news. I hope you have found the info in this video interesting. Please do let me know what you think down below. If you'd like to support the channel, please do consider checking out the links to my Patreon as well as buy me a coffee. There will also be a link to SUAS News down below as well. Please check that out for the full article. Look after yourselves, stay safe, and I will speak to you soon.
Oh, a package from DJI. I love the DJI. Best music ever. I danced to their music with a great friend at his island. Oh, it's a drone. I like the drones for the kids, you know. I saved the drones from China. Tim and Jensen, you've seen this. It's heavy, a lot heavier than yours. He'll let the drones stay now, I think. I like the drones. DJI, the best drones in the world. Who knew they were so good? No risk. I think they are all safe. I let them fly in my bedroom too.